My name is Ninamarie Sapuppo, and I've been teaching math for 22 years. I have been enjoying working with the STEM kids and using the 3D printer, learning how to use it. The students loved it because just even having that in the classroom when they heard stuff being made, I was like, okay, well, these are being made. We gotta, let's buckle down here. And it just really gave that extra motivation. And using the website was really easy. I just would search for the keyword. You could see all the different kits that came with it, and I would click on it and it would just show a picture of what was going to print. It would describe it in words. I thought it was going to be much more complicated. So at first I was nervous and, like anything new, but it was really pretty simple. So these STEM kits and their lesson plans I think are really, really useful. And they're, part of the future.